spreadsheet over other computer applications. For those of you that are new to spreadsheets, let's explore a little bit about the power or the reasons why you might want to use one. You see the table that you have in front of you here? You can easily create this table in a Word document to get the look and feel and ability that you see here. But what's the advantage of putting it into a spreadsheet? An advantage of putting it into a spreadsheet is shown simply by a very easy option. The point that I'm showing you here is a downward arrow that allows you to select and sort on the different years in this column. Let's say, for example, I would like just to see how my sales are doing in year 2006. I click on the downward pointing arrow, I select my year that I'm interested in, and click OK. What the application now does is it goes and grabs only the information for the year 2006 that I can now sort through and analyze. Let's say I'm interested in how catering is doing in particular in my organization. Having the ability to sort on the channel column will let me grab that information in a blink of an eye. If I click on the downward pointing arrow again and just select catering, I'm now just presented with all of the information for the catering channel of my organization for the year 2006. If I'd like to see what the total catering forecast is for 2006 for my organization, I can do that with the power of formulas in Excel spreadsheet. I simply type in the formula, identify the area over which I'd like that formula calculated, hit the enter key, and I get my sum in less than 30 seconds. This is where you see the power of an Excel spreadsheet. We're going to explore together using a fictional company called Eat Cake and see how you can learn to use the power of Excel to analyze information in your organization or home. When you open Excel 2000,